Hello, good morning. This is Shifali and you're watching Mast Musafir. So today is my day 4 of the trip and we are still in Bangalore. Today I am joined by my brother also. So we left home at around 12 and then we took the Purple Line metro station and then we got off at Dr. B.R. Ambedkar metro station, which is also the Vidhan Sudha metro station, and from there we took an auto. There's the Namayatri app, so we booked an auto through it and then we quickly came here in 10 minutes. So this is Bangalore Palace on the Palace Road. This is basically the palace of the royal family of Bangalore, sort of, or Mysore, the Wadiyar family. They have properties in various parts in Karnataka and in the south. This is their Bangalore Palace, and this was made in the 19th century. As you can see, it is very European and neoclassical in its orientation, in its design and structure. So yeah, we just came to explore the palace. It's been turned, the rooms and everything has been turned into a museum. So our ticket was 300 per person, and then we also got audio books with it. So we just went through the whole palace, the museum, seeing their rooms and getting to, through the audio books, we learned about the history and information and all of that. Okay, photography was strictly prohibited inside, so we couldn't take pictures of whatever we saw. Outside, we are allowed to take pictures and videos. So here is the palace behind me, and this is the palace gardens. They are huge and pretty and beautiful, and apparently the palace grounds here are used for various purposes, such as musical concerts and other cultural events. Even they're even used for wedding functions and all of these things. So it's also a bit commercialized property, and then it's maintained as a museum. So this is what I've covered so far. Today I was feeling really tired and was not in the best of health in the morning, but ठीक है, घूमते घूमते energy वापस आ चुकी है and we are good to go. So now it's really sunny and it's the afternoon, so let's see what our next stop is going to be. क्या?
मोस्टली मैं इधर आता हूँ फॉर इटालियन वीज़ा.
ओह, कोई नहीं. अच्छा, ये माउंट कार्मेल कॉलेज. Have reached our next destination, which is the National Gallery of Modern Art.
Okay, so we had walked up to our next destination, which was National Gallery of Modern Art, Bengaluru. This was just 15 minutes walking distance from the Bangalore Palace. The ticket cost us just 20 rupees per person, and at that time Seema Kohli's exhibition was there on display, so we got to see it. It was titled Kal Netra, Sacred Matrices, Seema Kohli's Living Mythic World. Now, National Gallery of Modern Art, Bengaluru is actually housed in this Manikya Velu mansion, which was an erstwhile royal mansion. It belonged to the royal family, and now it belongs to NGMA. I really liked the layout and the white buildings and the green spaces. Also, I got introduced to this artist's work for the first time These paintings are by B. Prabha, and I really liked her. She lived from 1933 to 2001, if I'm not wrong, and her works primarily consisted of oil on canvas and depicted rural Indian women. And now this was Seema Kohli. I had met her and seen her artwork in Delhi's Bikaner house. I really like the fact that she experiments with various mediums, paintings, photography, sculpture. Here she has also done some embroidery work, so that's interesting. And I love the fact that she deals with the women's experience, the contemporary women experience combined with the ancient spiritual experience of womanhood in India, with our yogic sciences and all of those theories coming in interplay with the modern women's experience of working out and studying and enjoying her leisure time, but also taking the tradition forward with her of yoga and the spiritual connect that we feel in our mythic world, as she talks about, living mythic world. So taking the past and the present together.
Okay, so we are done with our National Gallery of Modern Art visit. Now we are sitting here and waiting for our Namayatri auto, and we are dead tired. And now we are going to get something to eat, probably in Indiranagar. My brother says that he has an expertise, so he'll take me around. He knows the best places. And then I also got this poster set. So that's all. Okay, auto is here. Bye. पहुंच गए क्या? MJ1. Review. How is it?
It's good. The bagel could be a bit more softer, but the peri cream cheese is a very intricate tasting
Okay.
thing.
Okay, let's give it a shot.
लेफ्ट जाओ एयरबीएनबी आ रहा है। हाँ सॉरी हॉस्टल
कहाँ से?
यहीं से इस रोड से।
तुम लोग रुके थे क्या?
हाँ इंदिरा नगर में हॉस्टल है, अच्छा सा हॉस्टल है। निकलते ही खाने पीने का सब कुछ है यहाँ पे। टेलीफोन वाला थिंग है ना।
Okay, so now we have come to Indiranagar, and in Indiranagar my brother claims to be an expert, so he has told me to do some cafe hopping and behave like a modern tourist. So he has taken me to a couple of good places. We grabbed some juices from Alien Kind. And now he's brought me to this cafe bar restaurant, which is Tipsy Bull. As you can see, I don't have much idea, so he's prompting me from behind. So Tipsy Bull, and he told me that their chicken fries are really good. So we got them. You can show them the remains of the chicken fries. Peri peri chicken fries. He corrects me here. Very spicy, tasty, good for an evening snack. And because it was way too spicy for my palate, so I've got this berry punch, berry patch, something berry and sweet and milky. So enjoying this, and now we have come to that part of travel when you're done with all the sightseeing, you're tired, and you just sit on the terrace of a nice place, enjoy the view and enjoy the weather. It's cool and breezy and windy, and just take in the sights and the sounds and look at the sky changing its colors. So yeah. fine. ओके तो बैंगलोर आए और मैग्नोलिया बेकरी नहीं आए, ऐसे कैसे चलेगा? तो अभी हम लोग मैग्नोलिया बेकरी आ चुके हैं एंड वी हैव गॉट दिस डेजर्ट विच इज़ द चॉकलेट पुडिंग पाई एंड रक्षित हैज़ गॉट दिस लेमन बार ही इज़ नॉट अ फैन ऑफ, उसको ठीक ठीक लगा, नॉट ग्रेट एंड अभी तक आई हैवंट हैड अ बाइट बट लेट मी टेस्ट इट एंड टेल यू हाउ इट इज़. आई टेस्ट द पुडिंग पार्ट. This is good. It has like, it's very creamy and chocolatey, but there's a slight bitter fermented सा taste which is adding to its uniqueness. So good bun. चले? Okay, so we have arrived at the metro station and we'll soon exit and go back to our place. With this, we have come to an end of our 4th day in Bangalore, and as you can see, we are all very disheveled and tired, so we'll call it a day and meet you tomorrow in a new destination. Bye bye. इस बार निशाना साधने की पूरी तैयारी है और ये फोकस करते हुए भाभी ने लगाया शॉट पर थोड़ी सी मात्रा से चूक गए.
वहाँ जो सेकंड लास्ट रो में एकदम राइट साइड में जो 3 बलून पास है वहाँ पे लगने का ज़्यादा चांस है.
रक्षित स्टैटिस्टिक्स का सहारा लेते हुए ये छोले वो पूरा नहीं है. अच्छा, दिस इज ओनली कृष्णराज पूरा ना.
शाम पे आ रही है. Passengers can't.
Ready for travel?
सी टाइप है, नॉर्मल आईफोन केबल 100 है, ஒரே 100 ரூபாய்.
So I had finally reached Chennai and gotten reunited with my friends. The Three Musketeers were back and we were going to have a lot of fun. So for my Chennai travel tales, be on the lookout for my next video. Till then, take care. See you soon. Bye bye.